Hey, seventh graders, today is Monday, December 7th, and last week on Thursday and Friday, we started looking at food webs. And so our essential question is, how does energy transfer in an ecosystem? And so we're looking at how energy goes from one organism to another as they move through the food webs and food chains, okay? So today what you are going to do is you are going to do some practice on this ecology Quizlet. This is different from the one we did last week. This actually has more terms on it because we're learning more terms. We're going to do a brief review on food webs and the direction that the arrows, how the direction that the arrows point shows the direction that the energy is moving. So for example, if I were a wolf and I was eating a moose, okay, the energy goes from the moose to the wolf as the wolf eats it. So it gets the energy from the moose. And then the last activity is going to be to create a food web assignment. So let me show you what this looks like. If it ever opens. All right. Our essential question again is, how does energy transfer in an ecosystem? You're going to just watch this video just for an introduction and review on food webs. Okay. And then you are going to open your My document. Mine's down here. And this is showing you how to create your food web. So you are using the biome that you have been studying. Okay, so whichever, if you did a coniferous forest or a deciduous forest or whichever one you chose, okay, and you're going to make a food web for that particular biome. This link right here shows a video directions on how to complete this activity. So please click on that in the assignment before you get started on it. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to research your biome and select 3 consumers and find images of them. And then you're going to put those on the consumers. Using what you researched, add 1 prey item, it could be a plant or a producer, and 1 predator for each consumer. Okay. Insert or draw arrows to show how the energy and matter are transferring between the sun, the producers, the consumers, and the decomposers. Make sure if your consumer eats multiple things, there are arrows to show this too. Use arrows to show the energy and matter recycling from start to finish and in between. Your arrows might look messy. That is expected. Then you're going to answer the summary questions and you're going to submit this on Schoology for grading. Okay, here are some hints and tricks. Make sure you have at least 3 producers. You can add more if you want. 3 consumers and 2 predators. And there should be a lot of arrows connecting everything. Your summary questions, and you just type that right down here. In your larger food web, what 2 things are cycling, moving as shown by the arrows? Explain what would happen in these scenarios. Use 3 or more sentences and use organisms from your food web to help explain your ideas. So what would happen if the number of predators doubled? What might happen if the air became polluted? What might happen if the disease kills off the decomposers? And then 3, why is it important to show arrows from top predators to decomposers to producers? Okay, so you're going to complete that food web, and then you are going to just click the submit button when you are finished with that. And that is your assignment for today. Have a great day.